All right, let's dive straight into this explainer. If you're a creator looking to push the boundaries of AI generation, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're exploring a massive update that just dropped, Flow AI's integration of Google's Omni Flash model. We're going to break down a complete step-by-step tutorial on mastering this new update to achieve stunning cinematic realism. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to turn this powerful new tool into your very own automated production studio. Here is our roadmap for today. We're looking at the Omni Flash era, setting up custom agents, building consistent character libraries, and finally, video style transformations. Let's get to it. Section 1, the Omni Flash era. Okay, so if you've been using the old V3 models, you were probably pulling your hair out over two main things, right? Those annoying watermarks and that strict 8-second limit. Well, Omni Flash is a real game changer here. It completely ditches the old watermarks, swapping them out for a super clean Gemini-style indicator, and bumps up your continuous generation to 10 full seconds per clip. And honestly, those 2 extra seconds, absolutely crucial when you're trying to build out a sustained narrative scene. But let's talk about the real return on investment, because as editors, we are always managing our render budgets. Consider these numbers. The old V3 fast model, that gave you 8 seconds for 25 credits. But the V3 quality model, which, let's be real, you actually needed for decent output, that chewed through 100 credits for just 8 seconds. Now look at Omni Flash. You get 10 seconds of gorgeous cinematic quality video for just 30 credits. No way, right? You're literally getting longer, dramatically higher quality clips for a fraction of that premium cost. It completely transforms the ROI of your workflow.
Section 2, setting up custom agents.
To get these automated robotic assistants working perfectly for you, doing a quick template setup now is going to save you endless clicking later. Just lock in your video orientation to a nice cinematic 16:9 ratio, select the Omni Flash model from the dropdown, and, this is the big one, make sure you enable the setting titled Ask for Confirmation.
So the crucial point is exactly why we check that box. Think about it. If you set your agent to never ask, the second you accidentally click the agent or hit enter, boom, it starts generating and burning through your credits. By forcing the software to ask for confirmation, you're setting up a safety net. It completely stops you from wasting precious credits on an accidentally triggered, half-finished prompt.
Section 3, building consistent character libraries. Now, you might notice the old Imagine 4 model is gone, replaced by something with a kind of quirky name. Don't let the technical jargon throw you off. Nano Banana 2 is literally just the updated, rebranded version of the Imagine 4 model. And this specific model, it's the engine driving the incredibly stable character consistency that we're about to dive into. Building out a character library is now this beautifully streamlined process. Basically, you just upload a single reference image of your character, punch their specific personality traits right into the panel, and hit generate. Just like that, the system builds a comprehensive consistency sheet. It's taking a standalone image and turning into a fully realized digital actor that's ready for your scenes. And adding that personality text does way more than just sprinkle some flavor on a character bio. It directly influences the model's unprompted actions. See, if you don't explicitly tell a character what to do in a prompt, the AI falls back on these exact traits. So if you define them as a warrior, the AI naturally defaults to stronger, more aggressive actions and stances. Tag them as peaceful, and the AI interprets their idle movements as calm and subdued. You are literally handing the AI a behavioral playbook for your character. And this brilliantly illustrates the final casting result, a complete turnaround sheet from Nano Banana 2 that locks in their design from the front, the side profile, and the back view. Once you generate this, the AI knows exactly what this person looks like from any angle. Oh, and as a quick workflow aside, Flow AI finally fixed that old media management bug by integrating a seamless trash and delete workflow right here. So actually, if you get a bad consistency generation, you just hit delete, it goes straight to the trash, and your workspace stays perfectly organized. Section 4, video style transformations. Okay, so you've generated this amazing footage with consistent characters, or maybe you've uploaded your own video. The big question is, how do we efficiently take that footage and stylize it into something completely new? How do we give it an entirely different artistic direction with basically just one click? Well, you do this by building custom tools. Think of these as built-in video editors that rigidly follow your specific style prompts. Let's look at the Pixarify process as an example. You just select a video from your media library, pop open the Custom Tools menu, and apply your pre-built Pixarify 3D stylistic instructions. Let the Omni Flash model process the whole shebang, and boom, your transformed result is ready to download. What makes this absolute magic is the stability of Omni Flash. When you run footage through that Pixarify tool, the AI isn't just making wild guesses. It perfectly traces the initial frame and executes the entire video sequence without hallucinating or breaking the physical structure of the scene. It successfully restyles the footage to look exactly like a 3D animated movie, but the original movements, the actions, the timing, they all stay completely intact. No melting backgrounds, no characters randomly transforming into coffee mugs, just pure, clean style transfer. So, we've walked through setting up your agents to protect your credits, locking down perfect character consistency with Nano Banana 2, and seamlessly transforming styles using custom tools powered by Omni Flash. You now have the absolute blueprint for a highly efficient cinematic AI production pipeline. The only question left is, how are you going to utilize this newly built AI studio to completely transform your creative workflow? Dive into the software, start building those custom agents, and let your imagination run wild. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep creating.